Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your credit mix in Tradelines on Experian, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your credit mix in Tradelines on Experian, start by opening a web browser. Go to the Experian website. If you don't have an account, click on the option to sign up. Fill in the required details, including your name, email address, and password. Once your account is created, log in with your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Credit Reports section on the dashboard. Click on View Your Credit Report to access your credit information. Take note of the different credit accounts listed. These accounts will include credit cards, installment loans, and other types of credit. Review each account to ensure they accurately reflect your payment history. To check your credit mix, analyze the types of credit accounts reported. A healthy credit mix usually includes a combination of credit cards and installment loans. Look for any inaccuracies or discrepancies in your Tradelines. If you spot any errors, gather documentation to support your claims. To dispute inaccuracies, click on the Dispute option next to the specific Tradeline. Follow the prompts to provide the necessary details for your dispute. Keep track of any correspondence regarding your disputes. After submitting your disputes, monitor their status online. Once the investigation is complete, you'll receive an update via email. Review your credit report again after disputes are resolved. Repeat this process annually to maintain an accurate credit profile. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.